Welcome to my favorite type of Hamilton home. This home exudes historic character and modern flair. You look around and you can see the history in these original inlaid hardwood floors, and the original windows flanking the fireplace, and in the pocket doors that give the home so much class. On the modern side, the home has been opened up, which is perfect for entertaining. We've got a new kitchen, and I think my absolute favorite feature of this main floor is when you look around, all you see is windows. There's so much natural light. And whether you're in the past or the modern day, a bright and sunny home is always in style. The blend of old and new continues up here. On the historic side, we've got original doors and trim. And the new features, we have 3 huge bedrooms, which people love these days. We've got a beautifully renovated bathroom. And my favorite part of this level is this room here. It could be a big bedroom, could be a home office space, and it has this unbelievable sleeping porch. You can sit out here, open up the windows, enjoy your coffee, read a book. You're gonna spend all your time right out here. So you just saw the basement with another bathroom, rec room, and guest bedroom. You saw the backyard with lush gardens, and here I am on the unbelievable front porch. It's a quiet street, kids can play out front. We are 1 street away from Gage Park, and we've got views of the escarpment. So come and join me for a chat on this porch. Take a look at the home, and you're gonna fall in love. I guarantee it.